Namaskar and Jai Hind to everyone. My name is Kalka Swastav. I would like to welcome you all in my another mathematical video. So you can see here is a tremendous question written on this board. It's a question of trigonometry, which is the heart of mathematics. Before solving this question, it's my humble request to all the viewers, please pause the video and try this question. In case if you are not able to solve this question, then continue with the video. So let's continue. We'll try this question. The question says that if sine cube x sine 3x equal to sigma 6m equal to 0 cm cos to the power mx, where c0, c1, c2 such that c6 are constant, then A, option A is c0 plus c2 plus c4 plus c6 equal to 0. B, option B is c1 plus c3 plus c5 equal to 0. Option C is 2 times of c2 minus 3 times of c6 equal to 0. Option D is c4 plus 2 times of c6 equal to 0. We'll try this question. It's a very simple question. Sine cube x multiplied by sine 3x. Firstly, what we'll do? Firstly, we'll solve the LHS, left hand side, whatever written in the LHS. So we know the formula of sine 3x equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. We will apply this formula here. After applying this formula, we'll write it as 3 sine x minus 4 sine to the power cube x. Now what we'll do? Now we will erase this formula. Let me erase this formula for the space. Now we'll take, what we'll do now, we'll take common sin x from this bracket. We'll take common sin x from this bracket. After taking the common of sin x from this bracket, we will write sine to the power 4x multiplied by 3 minus 4 sine square x. We know the formula of sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and we can write it as sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Again we will apply this formula here in the bracket. Sine to the power 4x 3 minus 4 multiplied by 1 minus cos square x. Now again let me erase this for the space. Now it is the square of sine square x. If you'll notice, you'll see that it is the square of sine square x. So, and we again apply this formula here. After applying the formula, we'll write it as 1 minus cos square x to the power whole square minus multiplied by 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos square x. Applying the formula of 1 minus b whole to the power square, we'll apply this formula here. 1 plus cos 4x minus 2 cos square x. After solving this, we'll get 4 cos square x minus 1. Now we will multiply. It's a very easy question, easy steps, easy formula we have to apply. And now we'll multiply both the terms. After multiplying, we'll get 4 cos square x plus 4 cos to the power 6x minus 8 cos to the power 4x and minus 1 minus cos to the power 4x plus 2 to the power 2 multiplied by cos to the power 2x. Now we'll again add and subtract. We'll add and subtract the like terms. So let me find the like terms. Where are the like terms? Like terms. 4, 4, 4, 4. Like terms 2, 2, 2, 2. Minus 1. Minus 1. We'll add this. After adding, we'll get plus 6 cos to the power square x minus 9 cos to the power 4x plus 4 to the power cos 6x. Now another thing. Now we'll try to understand the whatever written in the RHS. What is written in the RHS? Sigma 6m equal to 0, cm cos to the power mx. What does it mean? We'll try to understand what does it mean. So sigma, we know what is the meaning of sigma. Sigma, it means sum. It comes from sum word. So it is the sum. It is the sum of how many times? It is the sum of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6. What we'll do, notice that, focus. We will put the natural numbers from 0 to 6 in the value of m. What we'll do? We will put the values. We will put the values from 0 to 1, 2, 3 and 4. From the values, listen me carefully. We'll put the values from 0 to 6. Where we'll put the value? We'll put the value of m from 0 to 6, like 0, 1, 2, 3, m equal to, like, hear me, listen, m equal to 0, m equal to 1, m equal to 2, m equal to 3, m equal to 4, m equal to 5, m equal to 6. We'll write the, we'll put the values and then we will add all the terms. We'll write this term 6 times. In each term, we will put m equal to 0, m equal to 1, m equal to 2, and such that m equal to 6. And we'll add all the terms. So let's do it. In case if you are not understanding, just listen me carefully. See, firstly we'll put the value of 0. After putting the value of the 0, we'll get C0 cos to the power 0x plus. Now we'll put the value 1, and in such that we'll put the value of 6 cos to the power 1x. C1 multiplied by cos to the power 1x. And what is the C1, C2? What is the CM here? Listen me carefully. What is the CM here? CM is the coefficient. CM is the coefficient of cos to the power mx. CM is the coefficient. So C6 multiplied by cos to the power 0x plus C1 cos to the power 1x plus C2 cos to the power square x. In this way, we'll write it as plus C6 cos to the power 6x. We'll write this step again and again, and after writing it, we will write it again. C0 cos to the power 0x plus C1 cos to the power 1x plus C2 cos to the power 2x plus, in this way, plus C6 cos to the power 6x. Now, what is the thing that we have to notice in this step? What's the thing? What is the thing that we have to notice in this step? There is a commonality, I think so. Let's see. What is the common here? Here you can see that C0 is the coefficient of cos to the power 0x, C1 is the coefficient of the cos x, C2 is the coefficient of cos square x. In this way, C3 is the coefficient of cos cube x. In this way, C6 is the coefficient of cos to the power 6x. So here we can see that what is the coefficient of cos square x? What is the coefficient of cos square x? Here is the 6 is the coefficient of cos square x, and here C6 is the coefficient of here C2 is the coefficient of cos square x, and here is the 6 is the coefficient of cos square x. So we'll write C6 is C2 equal to 6. Now C4 equal to C4. Now here minus 9 is the coefficient of cos to the power 4x, and here plus C4 plus C3 cos cube x plus cos C4 cos to the power 4x. So C4 is the coefficient of cos to the power 4x, and here C4, what is the coefficient of cos to the power 4x? Minus 9 is the coefficient of cos to the power 4x. So there is a commonality, there is common thing. What is the common thing? That is the coefficient. You have to write the coefficient. You have to write the values of the coefficient here. It's very simple. Please understand once again that here -9 is the coefficient of the cos to the power 4x, and here what is the coefficient of cos to the power 4x? C4 is the coefficient of cos to the power 4x. So we'll write C4, the value of the C4, we'll get the value of the C4 from here. The value of the C4 will be -9, and in this way we'll see that 4 is the coefficient of cos to the power 6x, and here you'll see that C6 is the coefficient of cos to the power 6x. Here C6 is the coefficient of cos to the power cos to the power 6x. So what is the value of the C6? C6 is the coefficient of cos to the power 6x, and 4 is also the coefficient of cos to the power 6x. So the value comes out to be, the C6 will be 4. The value of the C6 will be 4. Now one thing is also remaining. What is that? Let me get it. Yeah, the value of C0 equal to -1. Here any cos is not written, and cos to the power 0x is, you know, what is the value of cos to the power 0x? So the value of the C0 will be -1. So we'll get 4 values from this LHS and RHS from this equation. What we'll get? Now let me repeat. The summary is, what we'll get? We'll get the values of the coefficient. We'll get the values of the coefficient from this last step, from this last equation. We'll get the values of the coefficient. Now again, let's see. Now what we'll do? We will now the value of the C1, C3 and C5 is also remaining. So C1, C3 and C5 is also remaining. Now what is the value of C1, C3 and C5? It's a good question. Now what will be the values of this coefficient? What will be the values of this coefficient? We'll apply our brain, and after applying my brain, I'll come to a conclusion that the value of C1, C3 and C5 will also be 0. Isn't it? Won't it? Its value will be 0. The values of C1, C3 and C5 will be 0. 0, 0. Now apply your brain. Why will write the value of C1, C3 and C5? Because the coefficient of cos, there is we'll notice that here cos, the trigonometric function cos theta, cos of any power is not given, multiplying these coefficients. Cos theta, cos to the power anything, cos to the power anything, cos to the power 1, cos to the power 3 and cos to the power 5 is not given multiplying these coefficients. The values are not given. Here we can see we have applied all the terms. We have already utilized all the terms. So no terms are remaining. So we'll write the values of coefficients of C1, C3 and C5 will be 0. Now we'll come to the option. After coming of the option, we'll notice that mostly we have to add the values of the C0, C2, C4, C6. I think it's very simple. You all can do it yourself. Now after adding, what we'll get? We have to check either we are getting 0 or not. We have to check it. So let's take it. Now after adding all these values, what will get? -1 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10. -9 minus 1 is -10. 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So option A is correct. Now we'll come to option B. Now we'll add the values of the C1 plus C3 plus C5. Now what is the value of the C1 plus C3 plus C5? The values of the C1 plus C3 plus C5 will be 0 after Adding 0 plus 0 plus 0, what will we get? We'll get 0. This option is also correct. Now, after I will come to the third option, C option. The third option says that 2 times of C2. 2 times of C2. What is the value of C2? 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 The value of the C2 is 6. 2 multiplied by 6 minus 3 times the value of the C6. What is the value of the C6? The value of the C6, the value of the C6 is the 4. So 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4, 6 to the 12 minus 4 3 the 12. It will be cancelled, and the remain what will be the answer? Result will be 0. So this option is also correct. Now we'll check what we'll have to do. We have to put the values of all these coefficient written in the option, and then we have to verify either these options are correct or not. Understand? Now we'll verify this fourth option. What the fourth option says? Fourth option says that C4 plus 2 times of C6. What is the value of C4? The value of C4 is minus 9 plus 2 times of value of C6. What is the value of C6? The value of C6 is 4, equal to 0. Minus 9 plus 8 is not equal to 0. It's not equal to 0. Here it will come minus 1. So minus 1 is not equal to 0. Minus 1 is not equal to 0. So this option is incorrect. This option is wrong. So here's the solution. I think it's the simplest way to solve this question, this tremendous question. And so that's for today. Thanks for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.